Everyone wants to be a superhero, but not everyone can be one in a photo because all we usually have is our iPhone with us. And I'm here to tell you that is wrong. You can be a superhero too. And all you need is your iPhone to make that happen. Hi, I'm Maggie Kirkland, and this is my wife Lacey Kirkland, and today we're going to show you how to look like a superhero using just your iPhone. Things that you'll need today in this lesson are going to be a superhero, a cape. You're going to need to be doing these photos either at sunrise or sunset, and you need a nice open area where you can really use that sun in the background. Step 1 is to get prepared by getting on your cape and practicing some poses. Step 2 is to head out when the sun is rising or when the sun is setting to get that bold lighting behind your hero. Have your subject pose in a place where you can see their whole body from their feet to the top of their head. You'll also want a place where you can be low to the ground without anything else being in your way. Stand about 10 to 20 feet away from your superhero and place the sun right behind them and have them pose, tossing out their cape for effect, unless you already have the wind. Here is where you can make them look extra cool. Tap on the hero in your photo, and then when the exposure slider pops up on the screen, drag it down to make sure you create a silhouette. There you have it, a cool superhero photo using only your iPhone. I'm really proud of you. Go make some really cool photos on your own. If you love free tutorials like this, follow me on Instagram at Maggie Kirkland Photo or on YouTube at Photography Hacker. You can also find more free tutorials and courses on maggiekirkland.com.